Welcome back, ladies and gents. I hope everybody's doing great, doing well. Taking in another pretty sunset that Cape Town has to offer. Why are there so many crows? That's scary. What? I mean, that wasn't creepy. They're still flying around here, but a bit further away now. Anyway, so this happened to my bumper. I'll show you now after this. I'm gonna sit and try and plastic weld that tonight and see if we can get that sorted. This is how we're starting this week's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this type of content last week. This is what we're gonna get into now. Yeah, so the brick did that. Anyway, and that. And that. How's your Sunday going? Alrighty, so I think that this is gonna be my first time pulling the bumper on my own. Only reason, like, I don't have to, but I want to pull the bumper because I actually want to, like, just sort the spots out because the one keeps switching off, and then I just knock the bumper and it goes back on. So I'm gonna sort that contact out and all that stuff. It's very ratchet at the moment, but we'll sort it out. So that hopefully it's a little content and something to keep me busy, you know. What the flip happened here? Well, that's new too. Okay, maybe. Yeah, Pop said I'm not gonna have to pull the bumper. So that's cool. Maybe I can just fix it right there. Okay, let's do that rather. It's a lot less PT. Let's just leave that there. Keep the bumper apart. I don't have any clamps, so we're gonna work raw. So let's see. Don't want to touch Q-bond with your hands. You do get two different powders. You get the black and you get the grey. I think we're gonna opt for the grey just because it's a bit closer and I don't have white to color match. So, see you. I don't know why I shook it. Setting, so don't touch and try not to breathe it in. It does not smell great. In the meantime, let's try and get this off my hands. Now I let it sit. I'll leave that there. Actually, let me just it's very rough. There's a lot of dirt, but I can get cleaned off and as much as get a little touch up of spray. Okay, doggo. That's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. The dog don't want to but anyway, let's not forget about this part. Some more plastic welding coming up, lads. Okay, let's start with a little bit of prep. Satisfying. So I saw a center up for space and there's more that I need now because of stones on the road. Great. So then on that topic, it is spots from stones on the road. This from stones on the road, the indicator lens, and then the rear tail light from I don't know what, but Yeah. I also want to get another headlight and then do something fun there, I guess. But yeah, with that being said, let's put together all the parts that I took off very unnecessarily because it's sorted. Right, so we've done like early, it's like 7:45. Just wipe all the marks away, so it's just that, as you can see, you can get touch up there, and a light touch up there would do it nicely. But other than that, yes. I wonder if she still got a little bit of pops. Slight bubble, not too much anymore compared to when it was overfueling. Scratch that statement, it was not overfueling, she was actually underfueling. I'm not sure if you guys remember the video. Anyways, I think that's all for tonight, folks. We carry on when something more interesting comes up this week. Yes. It's a Wednesday evening. Didn't really get as much or get anything done tonight really. There's a massive fire this week somewhere on the N7 I think. And this is not mist, this is smoke as a result of it. I'll add a video or a clip here from one of the lads in the group. It's genuinely kind of crazy, it's scary to think about it, like this is wild. I've never seen this type of smoke engulf the whole of Cape Town before. But yeah, I didn't get what I wanted to get done tonight. Get done what I wanted to get done tonight. Because things didn't fall into place. It's fine. It's cool. There's still Thursday and Friday to get to it, and then we'll get the whole weekend, folks. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow evening. Just adding a little something to the vlog. It is actually pretty warm outside. Saturday morning, off to work real quick. Let's get the cold start quickly, just a little vroom. It's a Saturday evening, I'm really not even sure if the vlog can hear me because it's quite windy. But I don't know when last I was on the longboard. Just gonna go drop off a little something by Tosh quickly. Yo, Uncle Toshi! Where this man's at? Look at this man's cozy. Retirement. Retirement. So we're gonna start taking stickers off. Huh? We're gonna start taking stickers off. No, never. Stop putting. So let's just establish that this is chalk. It's chalk. Chalk is chalk. Yeah. It's... Whee! Look at the pretty sunset. Yes. Alrighty, ladies and gents, I think that's that for this week's vlog. I don't necessarily have anything planned for the rest of the day, but yeah, I'm just gonna chill out today. I'm just driving now on my way to gym. I'm gonna cruise a little bit, and then yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. My favorite part of this vlog was, I don't know, I feel like Dora the Explorer, but my favorite part of this one was seeing Tosh back in the vlogs. Even if it was just for a little bit. But yeah, I don't know what happened to my English there. Hope everybody's got a fantastic week laying ahead of them. Keep well, catch you guys in the next one.